Hey, what's going on guys? Asad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the getters and the setters. So think about a situation where you want the default location to also see here. So you're gonna say simple, right? Just we need to do this and do that, right? But no, in that way we will need to, we can from outside we can change that, that would be a big hassle if we can, if anyone like use this default location equals to something like that. He can change it. That would be a big problem, so how we gonna do that? So the way we gonna do is use the object, and it has a define property. I have a video about that too. So define property, and we first argument we're gonna pass this keyword. So what it does is it gonna define property, and the second what we want to define it. So if you want to define the default properties, default location, so default location, and the second one is should be an object what we want to do. So the object is a function, and the next thing, whenever this called, it gonna return our default location. So now if we pass default location, you can see what is inside without do this, or we will not set anything for that. That would be a total error. So now you're gonna ask, hey Asad, if what we gonna do now if we want to expose and set from outside? Simple as that. Just opposite of get is set, and we're gonna set it as a function, and the value as a parameter, and the what is next is the default location will be the value. The interesting thing about this thing is if we want to validate that parameter, you can do that too, like let me show you. Default another dot default location equals 13. It has a x and y, and instead it's become just a number instead of object. That would be a big problem, so in a sense it's a big problem. So we can solve this by just use the falsy if value dot x is falsy, or we're gonna use the bit operator of value dot y is falsy. What's gonna happen? It's gonna throw a error. So use the error object. So error, not console error. What the heck? Atom is gone, like totally gone. Yeah, we will throw the error. Now if we do that, it's gonna give you an uncaught error at here, so this is the way it does. Now we need to put proper what we call values, or it won't work, like 6 default location 6. So it's gonna work now. So the simple as that. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.